Alright, this is a guide to help you with the concurring documentation. Please click the first link. It should bring you to this page. And if it's your first time here, you're going to need to register with the FFC and create an account. So we're going to click that. And then it tells us to go ahead and click need a username. Please click the register button. So we're going to click the register button. Right here, you're going to go ahead and fill out the form and create the account. Once it is created, it will send you an email to confirm that your email is a valid email address. Please open up your email address that you used. Click the FCC registration email and go ahead and follow the instructions there to click the link to confirm that your email is a valid address. The next page you should see is a confirmation page saying, hey, we verified your email. You can go ahead and close these tabs when done and then click the return to login. Once we're here, go ahead and use your new username and password you just created to go ahead and log in. Now we're going to go to Cores, so we're going to select the Go to Cores button. Alright, and from this page we're going to go ahead and register for a new FRN, and it will be the third link down. We're going to go ahead and select we are an individual, and then if you are currently in the United States, or you are US, go ahead and say yes, and then click continue. The next one is you're going to want to make sure individual is selected. Unless you know what you're doing, we go ahead with that because you're going to get the free individual license. So go ahead and say individual, FRN, and hit continue. Now go ahead and fill out this form. And after you fill out this form, there is a submit button in the middle of the form. You're going to go ahead and click submit. Please fill it out with your information. You'll get a confirmation after that, and then the next step will be going back to the page and logging in. Alright, here we're going to go ahead and hit continue. It's going to bring us back to this first page. You're going to be using your FRN number. It is a 10-digit number. If it pops up with an error, then you are missing one of your digits. The next thing you select is going to be apply for a new license. Alright, we're going to apply for a new license. So we're going to go ahead and click the drop down, and we're going to scroll all the way to the bottom to the ZA General Mobile Radio license. As far as these go, if you do not know what they are, just go ahead and select no. So after you make sure no is selected, go ahead and hit continue. And then go ahead and fill out the form again. Yes, it's a bit redundant. That's kind of how this website works. Go ahead and hit continue and answer the next couple questions it's going to ask you. These are personal to you. And then you're going to go ahead and notice that it tells you that your total fees are $35. You can view the details. That's just kind of them collecting their little one-time fee. And then we can go ahead and continue to certify. We recommend that you always read the information before filling out the form. Then go ahead and fill out the form and hit submit, and then continue. It'll bring you back to this registration page. Go ahead and log in. Our next step is going to be paying the $35 fee. We're going to go up and hit Manage Existing FRNs, and then we're going to hit FRN, Financial Pay Application Fees. We're going to notice that we have a green light, and then we're going to click View and Make Payments. Then you're going to make a payment on the FRN you just created. You're going to find your FRN by typing in your FRN number again. It's right up above where it says Application FRN. You go ahead and start typing it in, and it should auto-populate with a pop-down. Go ahead and select your number with your name, and then go ahead and select how you want to pay, credit card or checking. Go ahead and fill out the information required and hit Continue. Once done, you will get a payment confirmation. We recommend you print and save this document. And this is all you need to do. You're going to have to wait anywhere from a day to possibly a couple weeks. And then we're going to log into a whole new session. You can see the link in the documentation. We're going to use our FRN number again and our password to log in. And what we're going to do now is we're actually going to print our official license once it has been given to us by the Federal Communications Commission, the FCC. So we're going to go ahead and log in again. We're going to select My Licenses. And then we're going to select Download Your Official Electronic Authorizations here and click the Here link. Then you're going to select your new authorization. You're going to add it to the authorized downloads. You're going to select it, and then you're going to click Downloads. If you're having a problem with downloads, there will be a pop-up. You select Options, allow the pop-up from their site, and then hit Download again. It should pop up, and it'll say Official Copy. We recommend that you print and save this official license. And then that's it. You're done. Thank you, and please leave comments and questions below.